Once the software is installed on the computer and you have gathered all the test accessories, connect the audiometer to the computer using the USB cable. Connect the B end of the USB cable to the audiometer and the A end to the PC. Next, take the aux stereo cable and plug one end into the external AB port on the back of the audiometer and the other end into the headphone port of the computer. Inspect the back of the audiometer to verify the DD450 headphones are plugged into the proper red and blue HF headphone ports and that the bone oscillator is plugged into the BC port. This is an ideal time to make sure the software and the audiometer are communicating properly and to set up your AMTAS software protocol according to your clinic needs using the configuration application. Once configured, open the AMTAS software and press Get Started to begin the test.